Welcome to NYNJPA Weather, your severe weather source for the Northern Mid-Atlantic. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. We're going to start this morning with the visible satellite picture as of 9:30 a.m. And as you can see, we have plenty of cloud cover throughout the Northern Mid-Atlantic. And we have a stationary front that is starting to drift to the northeast as a warm front, and well to the northwest over the eastern and central Great Lakes, a cold front is starting to approach and moving towards the Northern Mid-Atlantic. So what can we expect for today? Well, the good news with this cloud cover is that it's going to limit the potential for severe thunderstorms this afternoon. There still will be an isolated shot of a severe thunderstorm, especially as this warm front eventually lifts north and east through the Northern Mid-Atlantic. However, as this cold front approaches, much of the instability in the atmosphere will start to decline as the cold front moves through between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. this evening. Still, I'm expecting showers and thunderstorms throughout the day, widely scattered at first, but then this afternoon and evening I expect them to be a little bit more concentrated, especially just ahead of the cold front into the southwest of this warm front. And then, after this evening, we can expect much better conditions with a significant decrease in humidity and also temperatures only slightly above normal in the 80s to lower 90s. Let's take a look at the forecast for the rest of the week. This is the GFS model guidance for Wednesday afternoon via the Penn State eWall website. And what we can expect from tomorrow all the way on through Thursday morning is that this high pressure system over the eastern Great Lakes will dominate the region, producing clear skies, very comfortable conditions, and light and variable winds. For the most part, it's going to be a very nice middle part of the week. We can expect temperatures in the 80s to lower 90s, especially over parts of the Delaware River Valley, where temperatures will be able to break the 90 to 93 mark due to some downsloping winds. But overall, a nice middle part of the week with no threat of precipitation. Unfortunately, this high pressure system is going to move to the east, and that means a shift in the winds to the southwest and a return to humidity. By Friday morning, the high pressure system is sitting off of the North Carolina coast. That will take an air mass that's sitting over the Gulf Coast and drive it right up the east coast into the Northern Mid-Atlantic. So New York City and Philadelphia will once again push into the 90s with dew points in the 70s, which will lead to a heat index somewhere around 100 to 103 degrees for Thursday afternoon and again on Friday. The good news, though, is that this heat wave will not last all that long. In fact, a cold front approaching from the Great Lakes by Friday evening will put a quick end to this heat wave, and by the weekend, much better conditions can be expected. By Saturday morning, you can see the cold front starting to push off the coast. There still will be a threat for a few scattered showers and thunderstorms early on Saturday morning. But then by Saturday afternoon through Sunday, high pressure over the Great Lakes will build into the Northern Mid-Atlantic, producing clearing skies, low humidity, and temperatures in the 80s for highs. So overall, not bad as far as the weather pattern by this weekend. We get through another stretch of hot and humid conditions for Thursday and Friday, and then the weekend sets up to be excellent with low humidity, temperatures near normal, and dry conditions. So if you have plans to go out to the beach next weekend, looks like they're looking pretty good out there for an excellent day at the beach or at the ballpark. Thank you for trusting in NYNJPA Weather as your severe weather source for the Northern Mid-Atlantic. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Have an excellent day.